Hello people. So in this video I am going to discuss about the sequences. If you are using multi-company in Odoo, you might have faced this challenge where if you are creating quotation in company 1 and the number of quotation is 001, if you are creating a quotation in company 2, Odoo will automatically add that quotation into, I mean, sequence in another quotation as well for other company. For example, so if I'm using demo company, my sales order quotation will be 001. If I am creating another quotation in my US company, it will be 002. Instead, it should be taking a new sequence for a new company. This is what requirement is when it comes to, yeah, I'll say for Indian localization. People are asking for this. Let us see what Udo is doing by default. After that, I think might be a few people who are watching this video don't understand what I am saying. So what we will be doing is right now, or what I'll be doing is I'll be showing you how Udo is currently behaving. So I am in demo company. Let us create a new sales order. Just quickly grab one customer. I'm just adding a random product as of now. Okay, looks good. So you can see the sales order number is S0066. Now, if I change the company and try to create a new sales order, so here you can see there is no any sales order created as of now, or maybe I haven't created any sales order this in this company. Let us take an example, confirm and save. So you can see my previous quotation was 66 and my this quotation is 67, but the company is different. So 66 number was for demo company and 67 is for my US company. Logically it is correct and it is incorrect as well, depending upon the situation, depending upon the test case. But here in my test case, the client is looking for a unique sequence per company, a sales order sequence to be precise. So how we are going to achieve that? So to do that, let me just quickly create a new company first. This is how I create a new company. India. If I click on save, Odoo will automatically create two new companies depending upon the localization. Let us see how. So here you can see two new companies are created, that is IN and IN company. Basically both are for India only. Now, what if I have to create a separate sequence for each company? We have to go to sequence, search for sales. So here you can see only one sequence is here. If I click on this, no company is selected. Now the trick is, I won't be adding company directly here. What I will be doing is I'll be just duplicating this one. So you can see the next number is 1. Now I will add my newly created company here. Let me just repeat this for another company as well. This one. Just click on save. Now you can see for sales order I have three sequences. Two are per company and one is generic. I'm not going to, you know sorry, I'm not going to do anything to this sequence. Now if I quickly switch my company, so right now I am in IN company. If I click on new, okay, save. So here you can see Odoo has picked up S001, doing the similar thing in another company. Sales, no new quotation. Okay, this is fine. Save. So here you can see again system has picked up 001. Now if I switch to my demo company and try to create a new sales order, click on new. Or if you remember our last sequence was 67. Click on save. The sequence is 68 because I haven't made any changes into the sequences of these three companies. I just made change into these two companies only. So this is how adding a company into a sequence works. I hope this video is useful for you, and this might have helped you in figuring out the sequences per company. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.